Hi, in this video we'll be talking about stripping strings. We'll learn how to remove whitespace characters on the left, on the right, and on both sides simultaneously. The method lstrip removes all leading whitespace characters in a string. Have a look. We have some leading whitespace characters, and here we have the method lstrip. What we get is, and so they did, without these leading whitespace characters. Alternatively, we can use it with an argument representing the characters which should be trimmed on the left. So, here's another example, this time with an argument. And this is the character which should be trimmed on the left. What we get is stars and the star characters over here because they are trimmed only on the left. Now, the method rstrip. The method rstrip removes all trailing whitespace characters in a string. Again, we can alternatively pass an argument representing the characters which should be trimmed on the right. Now let's have a look. Here we have some whitespace characters, and let's use this method without any arguments. So what we get is this. The whitespace characters on the right are trimmed. And now, let's pass an argument to the method. So, here's our string, and here's a character which should be trimmed on the right. What we get is this. Finally, we can use the strip method to combine lstrip and rstrip and trim the string on both sides. Have a look. Here's our string. And now let's use the strip method like so. Text, strip, and we can pass an argument. So the character which should be trimmed. And what we get is this. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.